Okay, I'm recording an opening of the DD solderless, crimpless RCA connector kit, 50 pieces and 250 feet of their wire. This is DD audio. Very nice kit. I ain't opening it up, but this will be the first of you do get 25 red, 25 with instructions. Let's see if I can't get this open. There we go. These are very well. Oh man, that's nice. Let's see. Alright, get you 25 red, 25, get you a little instruction booklet. Let's see what's in this thing. Okay, it just shows all the connections and there we go. And how to cut them and stuff. Man, very nice. Yeah, these are. So we can't get. Ooh. Just kind of zoom in a little bit. Nice, very nice. Wow. Can't wait to get them things installed. It's gonna look nice on the, But anyway, got this from Cole. I sure appreciate it. From Traffic Jams in Picayune, Mississippi. He's got everything you need DD audio. Let's see. Alright, let me get to the wire. Let me get this out the way. I know that right there, I actually got the glue kit for my, it's DD glue. And I got the voice coils for my tweeters. I needed 2 of them extra. But this is the wire. Let's see, get this stuff up. DD interconnecting cable wire, 250 feet, 100% OFC, 24 gauge connector, triple shielded. See if we can't get a little piece of it showing. Well, crap. Okay. Let's see if there's another opening. Here we go. Well, there's another try. Alright, here we go. Woohoo! Let's lay it flat. Watch it just all come apart and be like whoosh. Oops, anyway. Get. Alright. Ooh, that's nice wire. There we go. So it is double. There we go. Oh yeah. Man, that is going to be nice to run that. Yes. And be all uniform and pretty. Anyway, that's the unboxing of the DDZ wire kit. You should get 50 connectors, 250 feet of wire. So, woohoo! Very nice.